is the very first episode of Entertainment Store Presents Fun Ki Baat, where we meet collectors, fellow geeks, fellow fan people, and we talk about our favorite collectibles and the stories behind them because they're not toys. For today, the first guest on this show is Baby Yoda. No, I'm kidding. There is another baby behind the Yoda. It is Sahil Shah.
Hey, I was thinking of doing like a baby entry, like a cuckoo kaka cuckoo, but then I realized there's no point of doing something like that. But hello. I'm sitting here with my latest, my best friend, baby Yodes, baby Yodes.
How
I want to
many
give him a
babies?
name. Like my latest thing is giving like really absurd Indian names to all my like toys, plants, games that I play. So this is not Baby Yoda. I'll
He's
call him,
Yadav.
huh?
Yadav, bro.
He is Yadav. This is Yadav. Yeah, this is
It,
Yadav. And yeah, the Yadav's like, dude, you what? You what? And I'm like, yeah, Yadav. Yeah, just you what? Okay. But I'll put him.
okay, so he is your latest in the range of collections that you've been having.
Yeah.
And clearly, you're very attached. How many babies has he eaten recently?
There is quite a lot. There are a few babies that are lying around Piche he's eaten. Man, I'll tell you, like I saw Mandalorian season 1. Oh my god, baby Yoda so cute. Season 2, I saw and I'm like, you know what? I want a baby Yoda. I want. So I Googled baby Yoda and then someone sent me a link on Amazon and I'm just like, I told everyone, that like so I've told everyone that I'm not going to be buying any more toys. I'm not going to be buying any more collectibles, any more action figures because there's no place in the house. Jagah
Right?
nahi hai. Unfortunately, there is no place. Where do I keep it? I don't have place. But I was like, no, there will always be place in my
For a
heart.
baby Yoda.
For
For
Yadav.
Yadav. Dude, he looks adorable now. I want him to.
He's too adorable. I mean,
Is he a plushie
it's
inside?
so he's soft with beans. Okay, sorry, this looks very
Oh.
wrong. Again, whoever's watching, I'm very sorry. That looks very wrong, but he's soft with beans, but
Lift it.
he is so cute. Just see the eyes, man.
It's perfect. Is it like rubber on the top and
Yeah,
like
I think so. I think so. But just what
wow.
an amazing. Like when I got it, I was like, dude, the quality is so good. I mean, it looks so good. Like this guy, I was watching an unboxing where this guy opened a life-size baby Yoda ka figure and it would look terrible. And I'm like,
Yeah.
hard way.
This looks life size. This
this
looks
is
like
this
as
is
legit.
one of the best purchases I've made in recent times. It's just so cute. It's just I can't stop staring at it or
You
talking
should
about
do
it.
stop motion with it. It'll look just like it
Yeah,
because
yeah,
it's like the original one's puppets anyways.
yeah. It's very cute, very cute.
Oh, damn. Added to list.
Added. I
So
please do.
yes, that is your first of the collectibles that we're going to speak about today.
Yes.
And I mean, tell me, how long back does your obsession with Star Wars go?
So it's not even Star Wars. So I don't consider myself as a. I consider myself as an overall. I'm a secular pop culture enthusiast. I'm
Oh
not like
wow,
just one is good. I'm like no, all are good. So
all are
I
good.
appreciate everything. I'm like an overall pop culture geek slash nerd. I remember when I was a kid, I used to love like playing with like GI Joes and action figures and all of that. But somehow my thought process was that I want to keep this. I don't want to get rid of it. And I have gotten rid of a lot of things, but there are certain figures from my childhood that I still haven't gotten rid of. Like I'll give you a fondest example. There was this Batman figure and he's in the cupboard right now, so I didn't bring him out. But Michael Keaton Batman. And as a kid, I used to think that whatever I would do to the Batman, that Batman would do in real life because there was a real life Batman. I mean, come
Of
on,
course,
stupid
of
Sahil
course.
kid. I mean,
Yeah,
seriously, it's true.
he's real. He's
He's
still
real,
there.
obviously. So I would talk to the Batman. I would be like, "Hey, all good, right? You're fighting fine, right?" So yeah, that's when I realized that and honestly, my collection, to be honest, only started when I realized I had my own money to spend because that just it feels good.
It feels right. That's
Yeah,
precisely.
you're like, हाँ ठीक है यार, मेरा पैसा है. I'm not taking a favor from anyone. I'm not asking anyone to buy it for me. I'm buying it for myself. So
Right.
a little bit of craziness has happened in that sense also.
I mean, I know exactly what you're saying because I mean, even when I started working at MTV and I had money finally is when I bought my first little 6-inch Joker figurine. And I was like, yep, this is not gonna end well. And it's not ending.
So as a kid, right, I had a major obsession with Lego. I still do. And with
Okay.
Lego, my parents introduced me to Lego, and that's where I started my collection, where I had a fantastic, huge Lego collection. And I gave away a lot of Lego, but I still keep the Lego men. So I have around 50, 60 Lego men lying around. And
Wow.
that like my recent obsession became with Funko Pop, but Funko Pop also I stopped because I was like, dude, I can't get all of them.
Space.
There's no place to
Lame.
get all of them. But like, it's just I don't know if I can like if you can see. I mean, obviously it'll be very bad quality. I wish I could have like outside people are busy doing some work, but this is my cupboard. Okay, I know it's looking.
Oh, I
There's a
can see it. You can send me a picture. I'll
there
put
you
it in the
go.
post.
There you go. That's the
Yeah,
Lego
that's all your Lego
collection. That's a
collection.
Lego R2D2, C3PO, a Star Wars chessboard, another this thing. Basically,
Wow.
there's a lot. Let's just say there's a
Basically,
lot.
send me these pictures later. I'm gonna
I
put
will,
this
I will,
into the video.
I will. Let's just say there's a lot. Simple as that.
Right, right. So, what's the next one that you want to show us right now?
So, you when you said that you wanted, like, you wanted to know some stories about some of the collectibles, and I'm like, what do
Hmm.
I? Because everything has a story, everything has a
Right.
backstory, everything has something or the other. But I brought down some of the personal ones that I thought, like, I'll show you. So, one of the earliest, since you mentioned Star Wars, one of the earliest collectibles that I had was this. Okay, and this is something
Aw.
that I have not thrown away till this date, even though I don't think anyone will ever be able to use it. Do you know what this is?
Is
Guess.
that a sharpener?
No, no, it's quite big for a sharpener, I would say.
Compass?
No, close
Tiffin
enough.
box?
Close enough. It opens and closes. You're right. Close
Yeah,
enough.
Tiffin box?
Mm-hmm. Zux, throw
Um,
your wildest guess.
it opens and closes. Coin box? I don't know.
One
Dude, what?
second.
It's a radio. What is it? Oh,
Yeah,
it's got a
close.
battery.
It's a
Oh, it's a
R2D2
cassette. It's a Walkman player. Holy fuck.
with a hook. So you put it on your this thing, you connect your headphones, and you listen to the cool cassettes of the 90s. That's right.
Nice. Does it still work?
I don't know, man.
We should
It's
find
been
out. This
yeah,
is
I
so
know.
cool.
This is one of my like this is something that I can't. I've thrown away a lot of shit from my childhood where I was like, you know what? If not me, other people can use it, like kids will play
Yeah.
with it. I'm bringing joy in someone's life. I can't hoard everything, but this I
This.
just couldn't get rid of because where else will like this speaks of a generation,
Yeah.
bygone, back when pop culture was so simple, back when Walkmans existed, man. When you had a cassette. If I tell anyone cassette, they'll be like, Dadaji, get out of here. And I'm like, I don't care. I don't care. This is
It is so beautiful.
I know
It is very beautiful.
very pretty.
Nice. Okay,
So
so when did you get this? How long back was this?
honestly, no idea. I was a kid, and
Wow.
series and all were there. I think 10th standard, 9th standard. So it would be when I
About
was
15 years back.
around
Wow.
So that's 15, 20 years it's been with me, man. Just like every time I look at it, I'm like, should I? And I'm like, no, man, I'm not. 1997 this was made, so yeah, that's
Let it go. Don't
13.
let
No,
it
no,
go.
no, no.
No,
I
no.
I
Just
don't.
make it work. Make it work in fact.
टेप कहाँ से मिलेगा? टेप where will I
मिल
get the
जाएगा.
tape?
I will arrange the tape. Trust me, I know people who have tape still. I will get you a tape. I'll put
Yeah,
Queen
man.
in it, or I'll put
Yeah,
like.
man. Just what an amazing experience. I felt so cool because back then everyone had a CD player, and I'm like, yeah, you know what? I have an
True
R2D2 CD
that.
player. Go screw yourself. So yeah, I
Wait,
was a
not CD
bad.
cassette player.
Sorry,
Cassette.
even
हाँ.
better. Yeah, shit. Forget CD. I had a
Fuck
cassette. I
CD
was
player. Like
OG.
Discman कौन होता है?
I was OG.
Yeah. Damn, son, that is a nice
Yeah.
one. Okay, so and what's the next one now?
Next one that I want to show is I feel like I'm at a talent show, but okay. The next one that I want to
Come
show.
on, show me what you got, Sahil.
Okay. This is an alien xenomorph collectible. Very high, very detailed. The backstory for this is something that I got in a flea market. I was in London with my family, and we randomly stopped by a flea market. And flea markets generally have clothes, okay? And I saw this
Right.
on the table, and I had not seen the alien movies. I just saw it, and I'm
Oh.
like, this is cool. And I'm like, how much? And he's like, some like 30 pence or 50 pence. Take it and
Oh,
go.
that's it.
Flea
That's a
market.
steal, dude. I'll show you my alien. So you told me that you're gonna bring an alien, so I have an alien here too. and like this was like some 3.5 grand when I bought it at that point of time.
Nice alien. That is. Hey, what? She's interested. तो रिश्ता पक्का
रिश्ता
थोड़ा
पक्का समझे
let's
and this is why they call them toys.
So that's the thing, man. I have a vast, yeah. I have a vast variety of fandom, man. I kind of, I like everything. So I'm not like very fixed in what I like. But this was like, I remember when I picked it, I'm like, oh, this is so cool, and it still looks so cool. It looks so
yeah,
cool.
aliens are untouchable.
And it
But
feels
have
so
you
good.
seen it now?
Yeah.
It's so good, right? The original alien.
Yeah.
Like,
I saw it, and I'm like, I wanted to buy. I remember I messaged you also randomly. I wanted to buy those shoes, the Ripley
Alien
shoes.
versus Predator. Yeah, the
Yeah.
Reebok Stompers.
Yes. But
Yeah,
I'm like, ठीक है, चलो, नहीं मिला,
So
चलेगा.
इतना भी नहीं.
नहीं, ठीक है, इतना भी नहीं, चलेगा. Then I'll tell you. Then the next one which I have, this is also a very cool one. This is Skeletor.
Oh, Skeletor.
Yeah, exactly.
Laugher.
He-Man, stupidest cartoon ever. Skeletor, coolest villain ever. Very stupid, but very and man, this is just, I don't know, man. The first, I was going through Instagram yesterday and I realized the second photo that I had ever uploaded on Instagram when I first came like 10, 12 years ago was of Skeletor sitting on the windowsill and looking out. Sad Skeletor.
Pensive Skeletor.
Yeah. And 10 years down the line, I would say I feel the same, but Skeletor doesn't.
Oh God, I need to get myself a Skeletor. I have two He-Man bobbleheads here.
Yeah. The thing is, whenever you see someone else's collection, you always tell yourself, man, I need to get I need one of those. Can I get one of those? Where did you get yours from? Okay. I'm going to check out all the places I can buy one of these and get it. I need to.
Yes.
I'm saving the coolest for the last. So I showed you Skeletor. I'll show you one more. I'll show you one more cool thing, which is in my desk. This was not that I was not planning to show it, but why not?
Okay, why not? Indeed.
1 second. So I don't know if it can be counted as a collectible, but hardcore Doctor Who fan.
I mean, you collect it, so it's collectible. Yeah.
I'm hardcore Doctor Who fan. I don't know if you can see. There's a TARDIS lamp that is behind Spider-Man. It's a little in the
clearly. I can see the Spider-Man.
But there's a bluish TARDIS lamp.
Oh, it's that.
Yeah. It's a sonic screwdriver, which I have kept for so many years. And anyone tells me, hey, something's wrong, I'm like, yeah, no.
I got it.
Yeah. Let me just wait.
So I have it. Oh, gee. I've only seen a couple of episodes of Doctor Who, so I will not pretend to know what that does. So why don't you educate us? What is the sonic screwdriver?
It's supposed, I don't know why it's not coming on, but basically the sonic screwdriver is like a tool, the tool that can be used for everything. It can open doors, it can seal things, it can study people, read people. It's a writing hack.
It's like the utility belt of Batman.
It is Batman's utility belt. It's like whatever you want it can after the 11th or 12th season of Doctor Who, I'm like, बस यार कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी. Doctor's like, मुझे juice चाहिए. Juice आ गया. I'm like, nonsense. I'm very perturbed because the light is not coming on when it there you go.
I saw that.
Yeah, so the whole idea is that it makes this sound and then it lights up. I go, it's cool. It feels cool when you just do this. It
is very cool.
It is
that sound
cool.
And all.
Yeah. So that's
so many children. You could fool so many children and then bring them as prey for Baby Yoda. Yadav, rather.
For Yadav, yes.
But such a predator, bro.
Yadav's a food eater, egg eater, frog eater. I don't know if he's tried children, but I will ask him if he's willing to taste that
experiment.
Meat. That meat.
So much more. Man.
I'm so happy.
I'm so happy, dude. That is so fun. You have a sonic screwdriver.
But
it's like I have Voldemort's wand and I don't know what to do with it. It's just there.
What do you do?
It's just there.
What do you do? Someone gifted me. That guy in Newt Scamander's wand. I'm like, what do I do with it? Le to lakri hai. Iske sath kya kare?
I played with my cat the other day. the Dark Knight.
You know what I want? I think we should reach a time where you have two wands. Then at least for Dandiya, you're set. You know, like it's Harry Potter Dandiya with two
Well,
wands.
you have a wand, I have a wand. We can do that. Our aliens will mate. Your Skeletor will face off with my He-Man. Our wands will clash. That sounded wrong.
That
Oh
sounds.
my
That's what. Why do you think I'm laughing? I just stopped myself before you continued.
well.
And the last one that I have saved for this conversation. So I have a lot
Mhm.
of big sort of collectibles. I have lightsabers. I have.
You
Um,
have lightsabers. Like
I
I've
have.
always stopped myself from buying that proper glass one because I don't know what the fuck do I do with it.
I
Like
have
where do I put it? You
two
have two
of
of them.
them.
The big one, the
I had
non-contracting.
I had bought one from Hasbro, and then Disney gifted me one, and I'm like, thank you, Disney. And it's a proper long. You know what's the thing, right?
Please
It's so
bring it.
I put
Bring it out.
there is no battery. I will bring it. I will put battery. It's
Okay.
too much effort. But the thing is, what I mean to say is that when I was a kid, I'd gone to a Star Wars exhibition with my aunt, and my aunt lived in Singapore, and I saw
Oh.
these lightsabers for the first time, and it was $200 at that time. It still
Yeah,
is.
it's expensive, yeah.
To my aunt, can I get one? And she's like, it's a little too expensive, buddy. Come on, don't. And I was like, yeah, okay, no issues. And I've always wanted one. And I remember when I bought my first saber, I was so happy. I'm like, yeah, my own money. And then when Disney gifted, I'm like, dude, it's
So I've arrived.
it's such a nice feeling to know,
Yeah.
like that. Oh shit, it's yeah. Oh my god, it felt nice. So yeah, that's a great feeling. And like that, the last story also comes to that. I remember I'd gone to Comic Con when I had first started out doing Comic Con. I think second or third year of Comic Con.
Yeah.
I'd seen an action figure and I loved that action figure. And I was like, I want to buy this action figure. I wish I could buy this action figure. And the best part about the story, you and I were together in for the
Bangalore.
Spider-Man thing. No, remember when we did the
that one.
Spider-Man activity?
Yeah.
And I had shown you this figure and I'm like, dude, it's so cool. And you're like, man, you should definitely get it. And I did. I bought it. I don't know if you remember this one.
Oh, fuck you. When did you buy this? Dude, okay, sorry, but like, this was not scripted, this was not planned. This just happened. Oh my
None
god.
of this is scripted. When did you buy this?
I bought this in Philippines when I went for the Asia something con over there for the Netflix thing.
Man.
And like I got it for a steal, dude.
Yeah.
Like I got it for a steal. Where did you buy this from?
Same. I think I had bought it in Singapore only that time when we had gone together, and I bought it for a steal. And no, actually no, I had not bought it in Singapore. In Singapore, it was too expensive. I remember also you said buy it, and I'm like, dude, it's too expensive. And then I asked, one of my aunts was coming down, and I said, this is my birthday gift. Please, I beg of you, bring it down for me. I paid for it, bought it, and man, it is
so detailed. That frame.
There are very few, like, people like consider themselves as collectors, great. People do like action figure collection, great. Funko collection, great. But when it comes to statues, it's very tough to maintain a statue because of the dust, and more importantly, just have a statue that you just love. And this is one of those statues that is just perfect. It's bite size, it's light, it's so detailed.
It's so nice, dude. And it's the exact frame.
Look at this. It's just so good. And you know that I am now living in a domestic, proper married house, because the other day I came home and I put my keys on Batman's hand.
Oh my
I just hung them. I'm like, Batsy, hold it for 2 minutes, hold it now. Yeah, man. I can't believe you also bought the same one. Welcome to the family.
Like, I mean, we spoke about this.
Yeah,
fuck, it's a gorgeous one. And I mean, if we go into spoiler territory, this is one of those like iconic scenes after which the Joker kills himself and blames it on Batman. Like, oh,
it's too powerful.
Neck crack.
It's too powerful. Yeah, especially like even when I read it in the comics, I was like, amazing. When you see it in the movies, with the ha 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 ha.
Like, I mean, he goes maniac. I mean, there are two times when Jokers died. One is this, and one is that the deceased, the death metal series, in which he gets Batman to choke him to death and then releases his gas, which is in his heart, which makes Batman the Batman who laughs.
Yeah, I'm so glad you told me this because I was about to start reading the book today, tomorrow. So
It's the starting. This is the very beginning of the book.
this is so yeah, man. That's. I mean, this is a basic gist of some of the stuff I have at home. There's a lot, but yeah.
I am dying right now. I just gave you a spoiler, which happens in the first 10 pages of the book, but it happens.
It's fine. It happens. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? People will watch this and complain, and you know.
But you complaining is not what I want. Because I know you like
Yeah, no, it's
treasure.
fine. Don't worry about it. So that's like these are. If you can see over there, there are all the bust banks. I
Yeah.
love collecting bust banks
Yep.
also
Yep.
because they look
I think
awesome,
we
but
have
they
the
are.
same Joker one also.
Yeah. I have a lot more. I could only limit. So the thing is, in the frame, I didn't want it to be too cluttered because then I would look like a crazy psycho.
Oh please, I
But
would have loved a crazy
yeah, no. It's too much. It's too much. Trust me, it's too much.
cycle.
I have managed to isolate my collection into one cupboard now. Otherwise, it was all over the house. It was like less of a collection and more like a comic book nerd type thing.
Store,
Yeah.
yeah.
And it's very simple. I always wanted it and I never did. And now that I have my own money to spend, I don't
Why
think
not?
twice. If I
Yeah,
like
why
it, I
not?
buy it, you know, and I'm like, I'm happy. Like in my cupboard, there's an entire row full of masks. Like I have an Iron Man mask, Captain America
Oh,
mask,
you
Batman,
collect
and
masks, yeah, because you have the whole Chewbacca outfit.
man, that's what I'm telling you. Like after a point, you're like, dude, stop.
There is no stopping, never
Stop,
stop.
please stop. Yeah.
But
So
Sahil, one question. I mean, you got married recently, and
yeah.
Meghna is in, and she's about almost as crazy as you, but not crazy enough. But how has that affected your collector life? Because I mean, a lot of collectors that I speak to, or people who I know are into collecting, but have to stop because their wives are like, "Dude, grow up. You're a 40-year-old man. You can't be hoarding toys right now."
No, so I'll tell you what, it's not a grow up sort of thing. Like obviously there have been changes in the house where she's like, okay, let's come on, let's act like an adult, you know. So like this room had a Captain America poster, Joker poster, a bunch of superhero stuff all over it, a full shelf filled with Funko Pops. All of that got rearranged. So we made a cupboard for my collection, which is my books, comic books, and Funko Pops and toys. And in the hall, everything's in the hall. Like the bedroom is kind of a nice clean space. A lot of figures that I have not given away anything, but there were a lot of toys and all which I was just holding on because I'm like, yeah, I'm a hoarder. And in my
Hmm.
mind, I thought it'll be better if a kid plays with it. And if a kid even gets one day of joy in a hospital, in a charity, we gave it to SRCC, the Children's Hospital. That's more important to me than holding on. I'm like, oh, wow, what a figure. So I've given away a lot of things, but I keep also this thing. But honestly, I don't buy anymore. I don't because there is no place. The one, there is no place. Two, it's too much, you know. After a point of time, the collection just grows and grows and you can't stop. And three, I have a dog. He was so happy to eat baby Yoda Yadav, and I'm like, Bagel, Yadav is not for you. But so in see, I wouldn't say anything. I'm just saying like she's been extremely supportive, but I'm also myself
Like
trying to
controlling, curbing your
calm down, calm.
enthusiasm,
Yeah. I moved on to the adult phase of action figure collecting. I
which is
collect
what?
plants now.
Oh, Groot. You're
Yeah,
hoping for a Groot
I'm
somewhere.
hoping for a Groot. So that's the entire POA, man.
Interesting. Thank you so much, Sahil, for
Yeah,
being here. This
man.
is Entertainment Store presents Funky Baat, episode 1 with Sahil Shah. And come on, you've got a fucking beautiful heart. Thank you so much for being here.
Yeah,
And
man.
thank you
I
for
mean,
all the charity.
I don't know if you noticed, but I'm so committed to the pop culture cause that I'm doing low cost Sandman cosplay. That's how low
Oh, khaki pants and you're sorted.
so low effort. So now I'm just going to fade away into sand as soon as this
You're
is
like,
done. So
oh wait, is this the wait? They're both Marvel Universe, so you could also be that, or you could go to Ash,
oh
like
yeah.
the Snap. They're
Oh
both
oh
so
God.
close to each other.
So that, yeah. So whatever it is, whoever's going to clean up after me is going to be very pissed off. So let's just put it that way.
Okay. While we're there, one speculation from you: Spider-Man 3. Do you think Tom Holland and Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield are going to be in the same picture, in the same movie,
I
or
have
are
no
they just
idea.
going to use the two of them into the multiverse sequel?
I have no idea. If they do, I'll be so happy.
Which
See,
one's your
I don't like
favorite, Spidey?
speculating. There's no point
Come
speculating.
on,
There's
you
like,
gotta speculate. Ishq hai
देख
to ishq
होगा तो
hai.
होगा. It just leads to heartbreak. My favorite Spidey, I had done a discussion about it also. This thing, not Tom, sorry, Toby.
Toby.
Always grew up watching Toby. For me, Toby is babe. Toby
is
Maguire. That's who he is.
But they're getting multiple Batmans in. There's Michael Keaton with Ben Affleck, and whew, so much
It's
is
gonna
happening.
be fun. Now, see what they realize is, अभी explore किया एक बंदे को. Now we need to just milk it. How do we
The whole,
multiverse,
like,
universe,
multiverse,
multi-universe? कितना milk करो? कितना अभी कैसे करें now? Baby Yoda will meet Big Yoda, and people are like, damn, I want to buy that. I want to buy that. I
Like,
want
dude,
to buy that.
I realized in this first episode of the second season that this is not the Yoda that we knew. I felt like my first season was a lie.
Yeah. They've made him cuter, but much more aggressive, much more hungrier.
Yeah, that Yoda's dead already.
Yeah, it's a new one that's come. Hey, Yadav,
This is
Yadav. Yadav, don't attack me.
He's a child eater. Okay, fine. This is it. Okay, we're signing out this time. You can spend some time with Yadav now. All children demand attention. How does Bagel deal with the jealousy of seeing him spend so much time with Yadav?
Yadav wants, like Bagel wants Yadav, and I try to keep Yadav out of reach because the last thing I want is to come back and see Yadav's entire abdomen torn apart because Bagel has chewed it. So that is something I don't want.
How difficult is it to have a dog with collectibles?
Man, everything's a toy, right? To him, it doesn't. It's not like, oh my god, that's a Batman figure or what? I'll let it be. Everything's a toy, so it gets a little difficult, but okay, I deal with it.
Nice. Okay. Bye, Yadav.
Bye.
Bye, Sahil.
Bye.
Thank you for being on Funky Bye.
Thank you. Bye,
Bye. Sounding like Michael Scott.
Bye. Bye.